Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some banana chips. Okay, so all you need is one banana. If you want it sweeter, then use a riper banana. Anyways, peel your banana and then we're going to just start cutting it up into some thin slices. Try to make it roughly around the same size. You're also going to need a little bit of lemon juice. This is going to help prevent the bananas from browning. So just squeeze out a little bit of the lemon juice. Okay, so I'm just going to add the lemon juice on the banana slices with a brush, and you want to coat both of the sides of the slices. And if you're not going to use a brush, you can just dip the banana slices directly into the lemon juice in the bowl, and that should work as well. Okay, so you guys, I kind of had a fail, which you'll see towards the end, but learn from me, and I wasn't even going to upload this, but whatever, mistakes happen, so just whatever, just keep watching. Alright, so now that we have our bananas coated in the lemon juice, you want to put some parchment paper on a baking tray and just add your banana slices on top of that. Leave a little bit of space in between. So here I'm just adding cinnamon to one of the lines for the banana slices, and then for the rest I'm just going to use some pink Himalayan salt. Alright, so we're going to place this in a 250-degree Fahrenheit oven. Okay, so you want to preheat that ahead of time. So place that in here for about 30 minutes, 30 to 40, and then we're going to flip it over like this halfway through. And then we're going to place it back for another 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so you see it's kind of sticky. They're way stickier than like apple chips if you ever made them before. And by the way, I do have a recipe for apple chips on this channel, so you can check that out. Yeah, so these are kind of sticky, so, and it's hot. That's why I'm using this knife to move it around. As you can see, it's really, really, really sticky and mushy, but yeah. So now place it back in the oven for another 30 to 40 minutes. Keep an eye out on these. Do you want them crispy? So now, okay, so honestly, guys, I wasn't even going to upload because this happened. I didn't even notice when I was putting my chips back in the oven for the second half. My sister was making cupcakes, so she turned up the temperature, and this is the result of that. So basically, it is super, super important to have your temperature at a low, have your oven at a low temperature. So I would even do 200 degrees Fahrenheit because that's what I did for my apple chips and turned out perfect. So next time I would do them, I would definitely put it at a lower temperature and just make sure that you're not turning it up. So it is really important to do that. Anyways, this is how it turned out. Hopefully you guys do like this. And like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. I'll see you next time, guys.